It looks calm. It looks harmless, but this animal kills more humans than lions. And when it attacks, there is no warning. Hippopotamuses spend most of their lives resting in water. Their slow movements and rounded bodies create a false sense of safety. From a distance, they seem peaceful, almost lazy. But this calm surface hides extreme aggression. What looks harmless is actually controlled tension, waiting for a reason to explode. The hippopotamus is one of the most territorial animals on Earth. It does not hesitate. Boats, humans, even larger animals are treated as threats. When its space is crossed, the response is instant and violent. This is not fear, this is dominance. Once triggered, the attack continues until the threat is gone. A hippopotamus can open its jaws nearly 180 degrees. Its massive teeth are not designed for hunting prey. They are weapons. One bite is powerful enough to crush bones instantly. There is no grip to escape, no second chance. Against this force, survival depends on pure luck. Despite its massive size, the hippopotamus is surprisingly fast on land. In short bursts, it can outrun a human with ease. Distance disappears in seconds. What felt safe suddenly becomes deadly close. This speed turns escape into an illusion. Every year, hundreds of people are killed by hippopotamuses in Africa. Most victims never see the attack coming. Fishermen, villagers, travelers all caught off guard. The attacks are fast, silent, and final. This animal does not chase for food. It eliminates threats from its territory. The hippopotamus is not evil. It is not hunting you. It is defending a world that was never meant for humans. And once you step into that world, there is no warning. If this animal surprised you, you're not ready for what's next. Subscribe to the Wild Archive and tell us in the comments which animal should be next.